Hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Tapos na po kami mag-work ni Dana. Meron po akong tatlong egg dito. Ito po ay tinatawag na balot. Bumili po kami ng balot. Tapos, i-challenge ko po si Dana. Si Dana ay Indonesia. Taga-country ng Indonesia. I-challenge ko po siya kung makakain siya ng balot. Kasi, tinignan niya daw kung lasa ng balot na may sisiw ang loob. Sa kanila kasi hindi daw kinakain ko. Dana, I want to challenge for you this the balot. The name is balot, okay? If you eat this balot, if Dana is eating the balot, I give you hamburger for tomorrow. If you not eat, guys, if you not eat the balot, you give me hamburger. Okay?
Okay.
This is your challenge.
Okay.
Right or no?
Alright.
Okay. Kung maubos niya itong tatlo, okay lang. You can eat this two. No. You can eat this two, no? Ay, challenge ko si Dana, makailangan niya makain niya itong dalawa. O, pwede na itong tatlo. Sige. Okay?
Okay.
Now, no. I need challenge for you. You eat this one. You put the
What is that? Onion?
vinegar.
Vinegar.
Open this one. Open. Tuk, 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 tuk. Like that. Then open it. This. Then this one, the salt. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Dana is start to eat this balot. Dana is challenged for eating the 3 balot. You can eat, don't make hada blowing there in the trash can. I kill you, okay?
Go.
Come here, little. Now, guys, Dana is start. I open it this one. 1 minute. I help to Dana to open this one. Put the tissue, baby. You go running, no? Okay.
Okay.
Now, start to
eat now.
Dana to eat. You eat here.
Okay.
Put like this, oh. Point like that.
I didn't want to eat.
Challenge for you. You the one first. This one because me I eating, no? Slowly because this one have water inside. This one the good. That's why tomorrow you coming here is your have more power. Same Batman, no?
Really?
I told you, if you eat this one all, I give you 1 burger. Put this one salt and little vinegar there.
You can give me salt.
Ginawa mo naman akong ano. Oh.
A little.
Yeah.
Then.
Open it, this, the ano, shell, egg shell. Slowly open. You can put this one there. Oh. Yan, kakain na po si Sus Mariosep. Why you put this one, Dana? This one, the water. The sauce, you can eat now.
I can eat now.
Yeah.
Sure.
Slowly because this one coming.
Okay, eat. Good.
Yalla. See? Abnormal your dress.
What is that?
Put this salt and vinegar. Where you go, Dana? Your my video there. I don't know where you want to go. You go airplane. Ang kalat po niya, guys, kumain. Mariosep. Dana, how you eating like that, no?
Good.
Put this one. No, eat now again.
You eat one. You eat one.
Finish, no? You eat first. O, yan. Nakakain na po si Dana ng isa. Where you go? You go, You come here because the video, no? You too, Masarani. What's your taste? What happened to you?
Good?
You not die?
No? Sa egg na. What's gonna do it?
Because your favorite, no? Dapat guys, 1 tray ang papakain ko sa kanya. 1 tray. Ang kalat, alam mo, ang hindi ko lang gusto sa kanila kumain, ang kalat nila, para silang ano.
Because me not can eating, okay? We cannot. Ito masahap.
Ayan na guys, nakakain na po si Dana ng dalawang itlog ng balot. Kainin niya pa. Uy, nanalo si Dana. Nakakain po siya ng 2 itlog na balot. Meron pa isa, ito. Now what happened to you? You can speech what happened. What the taste for the balot. Have another one, no?
Same egg. Normal.
Same egg, normal. You're not win. You have one more. He have to eat. Dana is eating 2 balot. Dana is win. Yahoo! But she have another one. You eat this one tomorrow, okay?
No, you eat.
Okay. What? You tell me what you taste for the balot.
Same egg, but he have inside.
Of course, this one egg. What you think this one dragon? Tell me. You talk there, no?
This one nice. Same chicken, but not chicken.
What you think this one? Kangaroo?
No.
Okay, guys.
Okay, see you tomorrow again.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Dana is win to eat the balut. Next month, eating 1 tray for balut for Dana. Yahoo!
No.
Thank you for watching. Suplado.